Welcome everyone to your perfect guided meditation experience. That's what we're here for today, to help you find that inner peace and clarity you've been seeking. So, find a cozy spot, whether sitting or lying down, and let's dive in together. Before we begin our journey, take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. That's what I want you to do. Let go of any tension, any worries, just with each breath out. Now, as you continue to breathe deeply, I want you to imagine yourself in a perfect, serene forest. Picture it, the lush greenery, the gentle rustle of leaves in the breeze. And in this forest, there's a tranquil pond just waiting for you. Imagine yourself there, by the water's edge, feeling completely at peace, completely at home. Now, let's talk about those thoughts buzzing around in your head, the worries, the distractions. Imagine each one as a leaf, gently falling from a tree, landing softly on the water's surface. With each leaf that falls, feel yourself letting go of all those worries, all those distractions. That's what we're doing here, releasing them, letting them drift away. Now, let's affirm our inner strength and peace together. Repeat after me. I am calm and centered in this moment. I trust in the wisdom of my inner self. I am grateful for this new day. I focus on the present. I let go of what no longer serves me. I am blessed with endless possibilities. I am worthy of love and success. I trust in my ability to create positive change. I am confident and capable. I attract positivity and abundance effortlessly. I am grateful for all the blessings in my life. I am surrounded by supportive and loving people. I am aligned with my purpose and passion in life. I choose happiness and joy in every moment. Take a moment to breathe in that sense of calmness, that sense of clarity. You're fully present, fully immersed in this moment. That's what matters right now. Take a few more deep breaths, soaking in the peace and tranquility of this moment. You're doing great. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes and come back to the present moment, carrying this newfound sense of inner peace with you. That's what it's all about. Thank you for joining this perfect meditation experience with me. Until next time, take care.